Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you the inside of the West Tower dorms at SFU. Here we're on West 5, which is my floor, and we're just heading down the hall to my room. It's so fun how each door has a different color. Mine is brown. Here is my room. And we use these key cards to unlock, which is super convenient. I just put mine in my phone case and then I never lose it. So here's a quick overview of my room. And there's me. So we have my bed, a nightstand with some drawers, my desk, and a shelving unit. There's some shelving in the closet as well, so I like to put some bins up there. There's also some floor space if you want to put a basket for your laundry. There is a heater in the room and you can use a dial to control it. The lights can also be dimmed using this light switch. You can actually prop part of the window open like this. The beds are pretty spacious. It looks a little tall, but I do have a mattress topper on my bed. There's so much storage space under the bed, I love it. I don't even think I used all of my drawers up completely, but if you have a lot of stuff, then it'll all fit. There's even storage space under the nightstand, which is perfect for my little miscellaneous items. The desk is pretty long, and if you ever want to rearrange anything in your room, everything is movable, so that's definitely a bonus. I use painter's tape to put up my posters on the wall so it doesn't leave any marks. There's also this super cute mini fridge where you can put in snacks, drinks, and I put popsicles in the top before. I propped this IKEA pegboard against the wall where I just put all my little trinkets. There's some photos there from a photo booth I took with my friends at dining hall one time. And in the shelving unit, I keep some of my mugs. There's some makeup and books. I also brought this trolley from IKEA. I put some of my extra stuff in it and it's really easy to just move around the room. And then this clothing rack I mainly use for my wet towels and laundry. My favorite part of this room is the mirror. It's so pretty and I just love taking selfies in it. So that's kind of a wrap of my room. I hope that gives you an idea of what West Towers is like. I'm happy to answer any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye!